my name is Allison Tebow. I am a licensed dietitian nutritionist and the founder of VivaTotalHealth. Today we are making roasted sweet potato chips. You can go for the traditional sweet potato. However, today we are using the purple sweet potato, also known as the Stokes purple sweet potato. The reason why we're using the purple sweet potato today is because I want you to experience its beautiful purple hue. It's magnificent actually, and also it's a great source of fiber. The purple sweet potato actually has more potassium than a banana, and it's really rich in antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, which help to reduce inflammation and reduces your risk for cancer. The purple sweet potato is so much better on blood sugar maintenance versus the white potato. It's much better scored on the glycemic index by about 20 to 30 points. You may have noticed that I kept a sticker on my purple sweet potato. That's because I wanted to make sure I got a really important point across. There are many opinions about this out there. However, I'm very particular about foods that come from the ground and the soil that it's grown in. So I want to make sure that I reduce as much chemical exposure as I can, just for the quality of my health and my health for the rest of my life, right? So on this sticker, there's something called a PLU number. If it starts with a 9, it's a total of 5 numbers. That means it is organic. So what I'm going to do is I'll peel this sticker off, and I'm going to thoroughly wash my sweet potato. Sweet potatoes come in all different fun shapes and sizes. I mean, look at this one. This one has so much personality. I love it. And with sweet potatoes, you can also make baked sweet potato, mashed sweet potato. You can make soup out of it. They're so pliable. So many great things you can do with sweet potato. Make sure you have a really sharp knife. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to chop the ends off. Oh, you can already see that beautiful color in there. And then what I'm going to do is just slice the sweet potato. Make sure it's thin enough. So you can see it's about 1/4 inch thick. Our beautiful sweet potato is sliced, and you can see that beautiful purple hue color that I was referring to. Before we move any further, make sure you turn your oven on to 425 degrees. So I laid some tin foil on my baking sheet. However, I never let my food touch tin foil while it's cooking because you don't want the metals to leach into your food. What I'm going to do is take my parchment paper and lay that right on top. Okay, and then I'm going to take my spray oil. I'm using avocado oil spray today, and just give it a good spray. Okay. I'm going to take some salt and just sprinkle it on there. I'm also going to take some black pepper and spread it on there too. Beautiful. Now I'm going to take my sweet potato slices and just spread them all over the baking sheet. I love sweet potato chips. They're just a great, fun snack. I also love to add them to my salads, add them to any dish. They're just so wonderful to enjoy. Tons of health benefits. Okay. Perfect. And now what we're going to do is take our spray oil and just spray it one more time. Take our salt, give it a sprinkle. You can really use any seasoning you'd like. Here's our black pepper. Wonderful. That looks so great. Now I'm going to place my sweet potato chips into the oven. They're gonna go in for about 15 to 20 minutes. Keep an eye on it because I'm gonna flip it around that time and then we'll continue to cook it. Our 15-minute timer just went off. I'm going to check on our sweet potato. Ooh, yeah, that is ready for flipping. I have my handy dandy tongs. There we go. I'm just going to flip each slice. Beautiful, it's glistening. I'm going to place this back into the oven for about another 10 to 15 minutes, but please keep an eye on it. I don't want you to burn your sweet potato chips. Our 10-minute timer just went off. Let's take a look. Oh yes, it is done and it looks and smells fantastic. I'm going to allow this to set aside, cool down, and then enjoy. My mouth is just watering thinking about enjoying this. Do you hear that crunch? This is fantastic. I hope you enjoy as well.